Hi everyone, welcome back to Active USA Ride Waves. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most commanding bikes to roll into 2025 at the Harley-Davidson Breakout. This beast doesn't whisper, it roars. It doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. And with a starting price of $23,099, the 2025 Breakout doesn't just roll, it rumbles with purpose. So what makes this machine worth every penny? Stick around because we're going to break it down upon absolutely intended. Let's start with what you see first. The stance. The presence. That stretched out rake, that chopper-inspired look, and nothing else in the soft A lineup screams raw power quite like the Breakout. The 2025 model takes what was already bold and makes it bolder. You get that classic pro street silhouette, but now with refined details that really make it pop. Chrome accents everywhere you want them, gloss black in all the right places, and that wide rear tire, oh man, that 240mm rear tire is just mean. You feel it before you even touch the throttle. Now, under the hood, under the tank, you're looking at the Milwaukee 8117V twin engine. Harley isn't playing around here. It's the largest engine you'll find on a softail, and it's built for riders who crave torque, speed, and that unmistakable Harley growl. With a displacement of 1,923 cc and torque that peaks at around 125 pounds-feet, this bike isn't just about cruising, it's about ruling the road. What's new in 2025? Harley's really gone deep on performance refinement. Throttle response is sharper. The IF calibration feels more intelligent. The gear transitions feel smoother. Whether you're hammering it on the straightaway or rolling through a twisty back road, it feels tight. Controlled. Confident. Now let's talk about ergonomics. The Breakout sits slow at just 26.2 inches from the ground. The wide drag-style bars have a slight pullback, and forward foot controls put you into the classic power cruiser posture. It feels laid back and aggressive at the same time. Perfect for long hauls or local bar hops. The seat is contoured, offering surprising comfort, even when you're an hour deep into a ride. And speaking of long hauls, Harley added a few updates to the 2025 Breakout to improve rideability. The suspension's been retuned. You've got a high-performance front fork with dual bending valve tech. Basically, it means you get a much smoother, more responsive ride. Out back, the hidden rear monoshock lets you dial in the perfect preload, depending on your weight and whether you've got a passenger or gear. Lighting? All LED. That signature Daymaker headlamp out front makes a statement day or night. It's bright. It's bold. And it makes you visible, which matters when you're blasting down a dark highway or navigating urban traffic. The wheels are another standout. Gloss black, machined 26-spoke cast aluminum wheels set the tone literally and visually. They look custom, but they come standard. Harley knows their audience, and they know we love that factory custom feel. Now, if you're all about the details, listen up because Harley didn't hold back this year. From the polished rocker covers to the chrome intake manifold, it's clear this bike wasn't just designed. It was sculpted. Every line, every finish, every bolt, it's all thought out. And when you park it and walk away, heads turn. That's just what the Breakout does. Now let's talk about how it rides. You swing a leg over the bike, key fob in your pocket, hit that starter, and that Milwaukee 8117 comes to life. It doesn't just start, it erupts. You feel it in your chest. It's visceral. It's primal. But the beauty of this engine is how refined it is. You get all of the power you want, but none of the drama you don't. Twist the throttle and it pulls. Hard. But predictable. The torque curve is flat and generous, which means you've got usable power all the way through the rev range. Braking is solid too. You've got a 4-piston front caliper and a 2-piston rear. Nothing over the top, but it gets the job done. ABS comes standard, and it's smooth. No jerky feedback, no surprise acid, just clean, predictable stopping. The 2025 Breakout also comes equipped with Harley's latest rider tech. You're looking at standard cruise control, thank you, Harley, along with traction control, which is subtle but effective. There's also drag torque slip control to prevent rear wheel lockup during aggressive downshifting. It's tech that works quietly in the background, keeping you in control.